Hi, I'm Katie.
I'm Yuki.
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Fiona.
And I'm Maggie.
And we're the Pink Panthers.
Did you know that UMass Amherst produces 3,000 tons of waste each year? That is nearly equivalent to the weight of 430 adult elephants. For our civil engagement project, we collected trash from lower traffic areas around campus. To us, civil engagement is doing our part to make the world a healthier place.
We were assigned with a project that focused on community service and creating a positive impact. Our team did not collaborate with an organization, so we formed our own way to give to the community that allowed us to work together.
Our mission was inspired based upon all the litter that we would see around campus in our daily lives, and we wanted to make sure our campus was not contributing to the abundance of waste in the surrounding communities. We wanted to make sure that UMass was doing its part in helping to conserve the environment and decided to take actions into our own hands.
There was a positive correlation between the amount of pollution we found as human activity increased. As we walked along the parking lot and sidewalks, we pick up what seemed like a never-ending string of bottles and plastic.
UMass needs to add more trash cans around campus and emphasize that littering is a problem that needs to be fixed. The addition of more trash cans, students will feel more compelled to properly dispose of their trash. It is important that we stand up and clean up what other students have left because we believe that everyone can do their part to help save the environment.
Environmental leadership is important because taking charge to give to the environment inspires others to do so as well. By taking part in this environmental leadership project, our team has learned just how much litter people really leave around and how little care some people have for their communities. Our civil engagement project helped us to realize how much of an impact we could make with a small team. If others in the community were to contribute as well, there would be more hope for a cleaner future.